So we'll go into our Keep It in a Buck segment for today. And obviously, I think we're going to keep it simple. And y'all know what Keep It in a Buck segment is for today. It is, I know you're supposed to give me the lead in for it.
Yeah, okay.
Details matter. Okay? That is the overall theme for our Keep It in the Buck segment, is details matter. All right? And so every single thing in the universe, especially in this three-dimensional world that we live in, is cause and effect. As a matter of fact, the first law of Newtonian physics, Isaac Newton, is every action has an equal or opposite reaction. Not the actions you want, not the actions you like, not the actions you need, not the actions you care about, every action, right? Your thoughts, your words, your actions, all of those things have a direct impact and a direct effect or direct result. And so if we can slow the game down and pay attention to detail, we can put ourselves in position to live the life that we want to live. We could design the life that we want to live because we are in control of that. If you are over 18, everything that you are going through, good and or uncomfortable, is your fault. Okay? So details matter. How does that relate to trading? We went over it a lot today, right? Your approach, knowing why you are doing something, knowing what you are actually doing, knowing when you are going to do it, knowing how you are going to do it, and paying attention to detail for each one of those things. I'm not perfect. I don't win every trade. I don't win every investment. I don't make every right decision. But what we try to do over here, especially myself, is slow the game down, focus on what actually moves the needle, then what moves the needle towards what we want to actually accomplish, put a step-by-step plan together to do that, and stick to the plan, okay? So attention to detail, details matter, and I hope that that will help you become a better trader, a better investor, and a better person overall.